Hello again. So, today I'm going to show you how to make your own mods or texture packs for Among Us. So, yeah, let's just get right in. So, what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description and it'll take you to this right here. And depending on what you are, if you're 32-bit or 64-bit, just like, if you're 32-bit, just click here. If you're 64-bit, click right there. If you don't know how to check that, just look it up. Yeah, you click on this, and it will download. Oops, I forgot to move this. So, yeah. Uh, yeah. I don't know. My brain was just processing. I don't know what my brain just did there, but yeah, you just click right there. You minimize that, and then once you just put the zip file you downloaded onto your desktop and you extract it. See, I already done this before, so it's right here. So you double click Unity Asset Bundle Extractor. No, Asset Bundle Extractor.exe. And it will open. You just gotta give it a second because sometimes it can take a while to open. So see, as you can see, it's right here. Then on Steam, um, drag it over, or maybe itch.io version works. But you do manage, browse local files, then you double click Among Us data and you copy that, and you can minimize that, and uh, what you do now is you go to file, you press open, and you go up here and paste, and then press enter, and it'll take you here. You scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says shared assets 7.assets. You press open, and it'll take you here. And scroll down all the way bottom and pick the thing at the bottom. It's fine if it says something different than this right here. You just want to pick the latest one. Just scroll all the way to the bottom. No, even if it's different, just click it. So, yeah, I will take you here. And then what you want to do is you see up here between type and file ID, you want to drag it this way, and then it will show like what kind of file it is, the file type. So you want to scroll down. I usually just drag it till I see these texture 2D files. So you want to get like all of them. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the texture 2D files and see where it says temp. You select that and go all the way up to the last file, to the last texture 2D file. And once you have that all selected, you press plugins and export to PNG. Now I already have a file with all this. Actually, here, I'm gonna cancel that and like delete the file so I can show you. I can get this out of the way. Or I need to select all this again. Doesn't take too long though, it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, you just select all the texture 2D files again. You press plugins, export to PNG, and over here you click desktop, and you right click, and you select new, and then folder, and name it Among Us Textures. And once you've made that, you press select folder, and it will put all the Among Us textures into there. And you just gotta give it a second because it could take a while depending on your computer. So yeah, just give it a second. And there we go. Now after that, you just press OK and minimize this. And you can actually just close this. You don't really need it anymore. But then you go to Among Us Textures. And you see here, Now you got like all the Among Us textures. So let's say I want to edit. What would I want to edit? Let's say I wanted to edit a hat, for example. I would I would find the hats. You just gotta find it through here. Those are all the pets, as you can see. Here, actually, let's edit the mini crewmate. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag that right there, and then you can just open a photo editing software. It doesn't not matter what, but I use Paint.net. So yeah, you can use Photoshop. You can use whatever software you want. So then you go here. Don't mind these pictures. Um, you scroll down. You see here's the file I put on my desktop. And then see, here it is. And what I want to do, I want to edit the mini crewmate. But I don't really want to do much. So I'm just gonna zoom in a bit, find the mini crewmate. There it is. So that's just the walking animation for it. So yeah, I'm gonna edit this. Yeah, just all I do is zoom in, so I can draw. So what I'm gonna do is let's just draw a little face on it, cause why not? I don't know what else to do. I'm just trying to make this simple. But you can do whatever you want. You can pick any of the files and whatever. So, because you don't have to do a smiley face, obviously. So, just make a little smiley face on every single mini crewmate I see here. Like these little guys right here. Scroll down to the other one. Smiley face. Oh, that's not what I want. I want this guy. There we go. Scroll right up. So yeah, if you're going to edit a pet or just anything, so like since I'm doing a pet, and I just want to do the mini crewmate. See, there's a bunch of mini crewmates that I have to draw on because those are all like the animation frames. So if you want it to be everywhere, like when they're walking, when your mini crewmate is walking, you gotta put it on every single one. Otherwise, it's just gonna show up for a second and it's not gonna be there all the time. So you gotta draw on every single one. Otherwise, it will not work very well. And you might not get what you want it to look like. But yeah, oh my god, there we go. See, this guy's a little bit sideways, so I'm gonna draw my smiley face sideways. And see, we're almost there. And if you're doing like, for example, like some of these guys, it takes quite a bit, but luckily the mini crewmate is the one that has the least animations. So you see, but the robot has a lot, so it's good that I'm using the mini crewmate, because that would take ages. Where it is. Alright, and then I just zoom in again. Smiley face. It looks like I just have to do these three now, which is good. Wait, did it? Yeah, I already got that guy. Alright, scroll. See, oh. There it is, okay. And then, my face. I meant to do this guy, but it kind of moved on me. Alright, since, it's tilted again, I'm gonna draw my smiley face tilted. You don't have to, for, like, if you're drawing. I just want to make it look good. Or relatively good. it's not going to look good because I'm just, doing something simple just by putting a smiley face on the mini crewmate. Now, I do not think this will change the hat, though. Like the mini crewmate hat. You have to go into the hat file to do that. But yeah, you don't have to choose the pets file. You really don't have to. You can just, choose the other hats file. But it looks like I am done. So I'm going to press, I'm just going to save it. I'm going to save it to my desktop. And and I'm going to replace it. So I can just close this now. See, it's right here. I can drag it right back in. And there it is. So now what I want to do, I'm going to get my bundle extractor again. I'm going to press File, Open, and gotta go back to Among Us data and go all the way to the bottom again. Just do the exact same thing as last time. Get the latest one on the bottom. Now, this is also really easy. So hold on, I just need to check something. All right, you go down back to Texture 2D files. Oh, past it. Yeah, I'm way past it. I can already tell. Yes, sometimes it might be hard to find. You just gotta, there it is. So I'm gonna scroll down to the bottom where it says temp, right there, temp. Scroll all the way to the top. And since I selected that, I press plugins again, except instead of pressing export to PNG, I press batch import. You press OK. Now you go to your desktop this time, and you go to your, where is it? Oh yeah, Among Us textures. Yeah, you just select the folder that you made, and you press OK, and it will do this. And, just gotta give it a second, because it can't really do it instantly, obviously. And then now that that's done, you press File, Save, and I'm going to save it on my desktop so I know where it is. So as you can see, it's right there, and I can just close this and close that. I can also close that. So I go back to my Among Us data folder and drag this in, and it might say replace, so you want to press replace. So I'm going to launch Among Us now and see if it worked. Because it probably did, unless this is outdated, but I doubt it is, so. Pretty sure I already have the crewmate selected. Yep, there it is. There's his little smiley face. Looks extra happy when he walks. Oh, and his face jiggles. It's kind of cute. Yeah, but as you can see, it doesn't make the hat that way because I would have to, like, edit the hat. But there you go. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. This is just my second video. That's it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good day.